to your WhatsApp right now. This is our WhatsApp. What we're going to do right now, from here you can see there's this microphone right here, right? And from it you can see record voice message. So once you click on it, come on here. Let WhatsApp access a microphone. Yes. Yeah. So you can see it's currently loading. It's currently loading. Hello, how are you doing? How are you doing? Testing. So you can see that's recorded, I think 10 seconds of my voice. So once you're done, you're gonna click on this, right? So you can see I just recorded 14 seconds of my voice right now, right? I recorded 14 seconds of my voice, and if you play this, it's gonna load up, right? You can see it's currently loading. So you can see I've sent this message, right? I've sent this message. So this is how you can send voice messages on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.